Hey guys, Chloe here again. So on this week's episode of There's Something in the Water, we are talking about how social innovation affects environmental outcomes. And the specific environmental outcome that I want to talk about is the general waste problem we have in our world, which also contributes to a bunch of wastewater problems. So first, let's get into some facts about waste.
So, waste or trash. We throw some of our stuff out in the trash cans and it gets collected and taken to landfill, but then what? A lot of this stuff takes a long time to decompose, and some of it will be around for a lot longer than any of us will. So why is this a problem? Well, if you watched last week's episode, you will know that a lot of this trash ends up in our water bodies, like our oceans and rivers. Not good for the environment at all, and definitely does not contribute to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
Okay, so let's talk about some of the measures that are currently in place. So when we go to school, we sort of learn the 3 R's, which I kind of remember from primary school, but basically the 3 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle. And since doing a quick Google, I found out that it's now the 4 R's, which is refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, when they are mainly talking in terms of plastics. So I think that could be improved by being marketed a lot better and spreading the word to everyone, because I definitely have not heard about this until I actually did my own research. So another thing that I wanted to mention was that after watching my little intro on the waste and how much some of it actually, or how long some of it actually takes to decompose, why are we not actually making these items biodegradable and marketing them in a really smart way? Because after doing a quick research, I have realised that some of these products, specifically I want to talk about feminine sanitary products, in particular tampons and pads. And there are actually quite a few brands out there that do sell biodegradable and good for the environment products. So they're just not that big because it's somehow really convenient to go into the supermarket and just put them into your shopping basket while you're there. So I think there's also a bit of a social stigma talking about these sorts of things, and that it really needs to be brought out there. Now, for feminine sanitary products, I know that only 50% of the population will use them because only females have periods, but I think there needs to be a big discussion around these sorts of products, and that a clever marketing campaign could get it off the environment, specifically if it's stated like why the ones that you currently buy are not good for the environment and how they can be harmful to you because they use chemicals, and also why being biodegradable would be just overall better for the environment and planet Earth. So if you'd like to know more about this topic and have a bit more of a discussion, please read my blog down below, leave some comments if you like, and thanks for watching today's video.